Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go through this question. Is a less educated person more or less likely to receive Social Security disability benefits? And it's a pretty simple question, right? So is a person that, not a dumber person, because a lot of you guys go, oh, they have less educated than, no, that's not what I mean. Is a less educated, they don't have a master's, they don't have an AA, they don't have a doctorate, they don't have a bachelor's. Is a less educated person somebody who might not even have a diploma for high school or its equivalent or GED, somebody who just might be a 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, whatever. It could be somebody with a high school education. Is somebody with less education more likely, or let me get the exact question, is a less educated person more or less likely to receive Social Security disability? They are more likely to receive Social Security disability benefits, and here's why. So when we look at the metrics of how the system works, a more educated person has more potential job options out in the national economy that which they could work. And it's likely that they had jobs that had transferable skills that would allow other types of jobs to be brought on, forth onto the table. Sorry, I have a squeaky chair. So what that means is that essentially a person with less educated has less job options out there in the national economy that they could potentially do. So let's say that there's Karen, and Karen knows how to wash cars. That's the only thing she knows how to do, right? And it's just like hand scrubbing, washing a car. That's it. She doesn't know how to use computers. She doesn't know how to, she doesn't have a high school degree, whatever, yada, yada. In that instance, she would have a higher likelihood of being found disabled at different age groups because of her less education that she has. And for that reason, she basically is in a better position to receive Social Security disability benefits. If somebody's more educated, like they're a postdoctorate, theoretical, whatever scientist, there's more likely other types of jobs in the national economy that they could do where they could use their brain to go ahead and figure out how to do those things. Because to super scientists and super lawyers and super doctors and super accountants and whatever, you could pretty much take that person and put them in any field and they would succeed. They're in the field that they are in for whatever reason they are. And that usually changes, throughout the process of their career. But they're in a field that you could switch them into another field and they would still succeed. Maybe not at the same level, but they would still succeed. Okay. Like me, I do disability law, and I'd rather be doing space law, but that's all within the same category of law. So let's go through this. Is a less educated person more or less likely to receive Social Security disability benefits? Yes, and that is because we use what's called the griddings. And griddings are where they just basically made a statute that exemplified exactly that. Like if you're over 50, or you're over 55, or you're over 60, the older you get, the less education you have, the simpler the jobs you used to have, because less education and simpler jobs go hand in hand. Oh no, I know a guy who does diesel mechanic work and it's really hard. Spare me the metric analysis. Bottom line is lesser education, simpler jobs. That's usually what it equates to. Okay, somebody that has no education at all in a theoretical, doctrinal, levitation-based analysis for hyper engines that are yet to be created, that's not as likely with somebody with a 5th grade dropout education. Okay, don't hate me, it's just the way it is, all right? Because, humans, the more we train ourselves and other humans to go ahead and do great things, the more they're going to be able to do, because they know more. Greater awareness to the universe. All right, so that answers that question. Is a less educated person more or less likely to receive Social Security disability benefits? Yes, they are. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County, a Social Security disability law firm. We're going to be doing a lot of these videos, and we will catch up from there. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.